Okay, let's talk about the homework 2.4, number 6. Alright, so we have this limit e to the 2x minus 1 all over x as x approaches 0 is equal to 2. Right? So you have a given epsilon value. First one is 0.7 and the second one is 0.2. Then we have to find the corresponding delta value. Right? So let's do that. Alright, so we're going to use GeoGebra to find the delta value. So let's go to GeoGebra. Open up GeoGebra here. Right? Then since we want to be correct to the 3 decimal places, so we're gonna go to option and rounding and set that to, I already did that, so it's 3 decimal places. All right, then we're gonna put the function. So function was y is equal to, so e is actually right here, so e to the maybe I should put parentheses here. So e to the 2x, right, minus 1, right parenthesis, over x. Right, hit enter. Right, so that's the graph, and maybe I'll move it a little bit so that we can see it a little bit better. All right. All right, then first one is delta epsilon is 0.7, so limit value is 2. So let's go to 0.7 above 2, so it's y equals 2.7. Right, and let's see, 0.7 below 2 would be 1.3, so y is equal to 1.3. All right, and okay, so that's the, so 2 plus epsilon here, and this is 2 minus epsilon. All right, so we need to find those intersection points, so I'm going to use the intersection tool. Right, then go here, and you just click, yep, and you go here, and make sure to highlight both, and click there. All right, then you can see the x coordinates. Maybe I'm gonna rescale it so that you can see it a little bit better. Right, like that, and maybe this way too. All right, so you can see that if you're between here and there, we can see that the graph is going to be within the acceptable region. So you can see that the A is negative 4.67, and second one is 0.286. So since the 0.286 is closer to 0, so I'm going to have to take that. So answer for the first one is going to be 0.286. All right, let's go back to GeoGebra. Let's do the other one. So if the epsilon is 0.2, right? So if epsilon is 0.2, so we're going to have a smaller acceptance region. So 2 plus 0.2 is y equals 2.2, right? So we have that. And 2 minus epsilon would be 1.8. So y equals 1.8. And put that in. Right, so this is the acceptance region. So we can just define those points again. Here, hit that intersection. All right, let's look at C and D. C is it's negative 0.10, and the other one is 0.094. So you can see that the 0.094 is closer to 0, so we have to use a smaller number. So in this case, delta is going to be 0.094 is the answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.